Sai Baba's life stands as a remarkable testament to unity and spiritual transcendence. His enigmatic identity defied conventional labels as he seamlessly blended elements of both Hindu and Muslim traditions in his daily practices. He celebrated Hindu festivals with devotion while also honoring Muslim customs, creating a harmonious environment that welcomed all. This unique synthesis led followers to see him as a universal figure, embodying compassion and wisdom beyond the boundaries of religion. Through his actions and teachings, Sai Baba inspired countless devotees to look beyond divisions and embrace the oneness of all faiths. Sai Baba's life was a testament to universal harmony as he seamlessly blended elements of both Hindu and Muslim traditions. He celebrated Hindu festivals such as Ram Navami and Gokul Ashtami with traditional rituals, while also honoring Muslim customs by permitting the sandal procession and prayers in his masjid. This unique approach led devotees to perceive him as both a Hindu and a Muslim. Yet his true nature transcended all religious boundaries. Sai Baba's actions reflected a profound respect for all faiths, emphasizing unity and compassion over division. His universal appeal continues to inspire people from diverse backgrounds to seek spiritual guidance beyond the confines of conventional religion. Sai Baba's mastery of yogic practices was truly remarkable and set him apart as a spiritual luminary. He was well versed in advanced techniques such as Dauti, a cleansing practice involving the use of a long linen strip, and Khanda Yoga, where he could seemingly separate and rejoin his limbs. These extraordinary demonstrations not only showcased his profound control over the physical body, but also inspired awe and deep faith among his followers. Beyond his yogic feats, Sai Baba was renowned for his miraculous healing abilities, curing ailments like leprosy and restoring sight to the blind without conventional medicine. Through these acts, he instilled hope and devotion in countless devotees, reinforcing his reputation as a compassionate and divinely gifted healer. Sai Baba's compassion and selflessness were evident in many aspects of his life, but one incident stands out as a profound testament to his character. On Diwali, while tending the sacred fire, Sai Baba thrust his own arm into the flames to save a child who had fallen into a distant furnace. He endured the pain without hesitation, later explaining that he was glad to suffer if it meant preserving the life of another. This act not only demonstrated his deep empathy but also his willingness to bear personal hardship for the well being of others. Such stories reveal the extraordinary mercy and love that defined Sai Baba's relationship with all beings. Among the many devotees who surrounded Sai Baba, Bhagoji Shinde stands out for his unwavering dedication and selfless service. Despite suffering from leprosy, Bhagoji attended to Sai Baba's burn wound every day, massaging it with ghee and carefully bandaging it. His devotion was so profound that he found solace and purpose in serving the saint, even as he endured his own pain. This relationship exemplifies how true devotion can transform lives, allowing individuals to rise above personal suffering through acts of compassion and service. Bhagoji's story continues to inspire, highlighting the deep spiritual connection that can flourish between a devotee and their guru. Sai Baba's omniscience was a source of awe and inspiration for his followers. He possessed an uncanny ability to sense the thoughts and intentions of his devotees, often anticipating their actions before they even arrived. One remarkable instance involved Nana Sahib Chandorkar, who set out for Shirdi without informing anyone. Yet Baba intuitively knew of his journey and welcomed him with words and gestures that reflected this knowledge. Such stories highlight Sai Baba's profound spiritual insight and his deep personal connection with those who sought his guidance. His awareness extended beyond the physical realm, reinforcing the faith of his devotees in his divine presence. Sai Baba's enduring legacy continues to inspire countless devotees across generations. His universal love, which transcended religious and social boundaries, stands as a testament to the power of compassion and selflessness. The timeless lessons from his life, as described in chapter 7 of the Sai Satcharitra, remind us of the importance of humility, service, and unwavering faith. Sai Baba's miraculous deeds and profound wisdom remain a guiding light, encouraging all to embrace unity and kindness in their daily lives. Through his example, we learn that true greatness lies in seeing divinity in every being and serving others without distinction.